I enjoy traveling, but I dread having to pack my suitcase, trying to fit everything into this little carry-on. Thanks to Vacbird, who sent me these vacuum seal bags for travel for free for my review. I'm going to give you my opinion and try to get these clothes in here using these vacuum bags. So what do you get with these? Well, you get, of course, the vacuum, and this is a rechargeable one. Very nice that you don't have to plug it into anything for it to be able to use it. It's got this rubber hook on the top so you can hook it onto something. You press the button once to turn it on. That is the battery level, the power level. And I haven't even charged this since they sent it to me, and it only had less than half a charge, and I've actually have already used this on a number of these bags, and it still has plenty of charge left. Now, you do get a USB-A to USB-C short charging cord. I wish they would have USB-C to USB-C, but nonetheless, they give you a cord. And then you get these squeeze clips. So these are used to seal the bag, which I will do in just a minute. And then a user manual for the pump, user manual for the bags, and of course, the bags. Haven't shown you those. So you get three sizes. This is the medium. Then you get one that's wider, same, pretty much the same depth, but just about 3 inches wider, and that's the large. And then you get like an extend version, which is deeper than these two, but the same width as the large one. So, and I got the 15 pack, so plenty of bags for my family, especially for me. And so let me demonstrate this. So one of the keys that I've found with this is there's a max fill line here, and you don't want to go past it. You don't want to put too much in each bag, I've found. It just makes it more bulky. You want to put, especially when you have so many bags, if you get the larger pack, you've got plenty of these to work with. And I've got some bigger items, so I have like a coat, a couple of sweatshirts, a couple pairs of jeans, t-shirts, socks, and this is not a very big carry-on, as I'll show you in just a minute. So let me just put in a couple of the larger items here in this bag. I'll put in the coat and then maybe one sweatshirt. So the way you work with these clips is they just slip over the end like this, and then as long as you don't have the clothing up close to it, they just seal. Now you want to go back and forth a couple of times. It may not get that seal the first time, because if you use the pump and then the seal comes out immediately, you'll know that it's not completely sealed up here. So, and then you've got a screw cap that there's the valve that the pump will go over, and it's a one-way valve. So once you get done pumping and you take it off, the air's not going to leak back out. But you want to make sure to put the cap back on so you can ensure that nothing comes out. So let me take a couple of the other, let me get one of the other larger bags. So this is also one of the largest bags. And I'm going to put something similar in it, sweatshirt. And let's put 2 sweatshirts, because that will be, and then maybe a couple of t-shirts. That will equal this sweatshirt and this coat over here. Again, we'll use this clip to seal it. Go back and forth a couple times on there, get that sealed up. Now, you can see that these two are about identical in thickness. So let me take the air. I'll actually take the air out of this one, so I think it's even a little thicker, and you'll see the difference. So I'm going to put the pump on, press the button. And you can see it shrinking. can see the air getting pulled out of it. And check that out. I did hear the air come out. Now there was one part of this seal up here that wasn't completely sealed. So let me just make sure that air's out. Okay, check this out. Check out the difference between these two. I mean, that's night and day difference. And this one was actually thicker than this one. So let me continue to, oh, you want to put the cap back on. Screw the cap back on. That one's ready to pack. Now let me work on the rest of these, and then we'll see how it fits in my bag. Okay, that's the last of the bags. So, got my pants in this one, shirts and socks. Could probably this. I'm gonna just zip up this compartment here. And check that out. I'm ready to go. And the nice thing about these bags is it's going to protect your clothes from any water or moisture. So if you have some sort of toiletries in here or something else that could rupture during a flight, your clothes are going to stay dry and be protected. And of course, we want to pack this. We can stow this in this bag and throw it in the suitcase as well, or in your other bag. So these vacuum bags are definitely a game changer when it comes to travel for me, being able to get everything that I want to get into my suitcase, especially during the colder months when you have to pack a lot more sweatshirts and jackets, long pants. So I highly recommend this product. I appreciate you watching my review.